Zebrafish are a great model organism for humans, as they share about 70 to 80% of genes with us.
My students use the zebrafish to ask these kind of questions and test hypotheses of how things affect brain function and formation. And our projects are inspired by clinical associations like understanding autism spectrum disorders and neurodevelopment, as well as environmental factors such as freshwater contaminants and other things that might be relevant to Wisconsin.
I work collaboratively in a team environment in my research lab to characterize behavioral movement of zebrafish in response to different chemicals such as stress hormones or environmental contaminants, primarily studying the development of the zebrafish.
Specifically, what we want to work with is methylmercury, and methylmercury is dangerous to humans, to any vertebrates. It causes a lot of cognitive issues and developmental issues. We are researching a path called the glutathione pathway inside the cells, and this pathway helps cells detoxify themselves from toxins.
I'm working on the effect of environmental contaminants on the neurobiology of zebrafish. Specifically looking at contaminants in the area, a lot of times with groundwater runoff from pesticides or things of that nature in a lot of agriculture, there can be certain contaminants in our water here that is bad for neurobiology and our brains, our bodies, all of these systems and their development.
So one project that we're working on is investigating how prenatal stress may relate to autism. We're doing that in parallel with our colleagues at Mayo, where they're able to look at patient records and patient experience and see what kind of associations there may be for prenatal and postnatal care.
I had one day where I went in and shadowed a neurologist, so I was able to go in and sit with patients and see what the day in the life of a clinician looks like. It isn't common for universities to have an experience where undergraduates can get involved with research with an institution such as Mayo Clinic. Having that on my resume is great going into grad school. It also allows me to see a different side of research.
The end goal is to be in this science and making a difference in the environment. Something of conservation is very important to me. There aren't many other schools where you can come in and straight away as a freshman get research opportunities, hands-on projects with mentors, and that's something that I value a lot.
Through my experiences with research, I have found that I love it and want to continue to pursue it and continue my education at a higher level. These research opportunities have given me skills in experimental design, scientific communication, and problem solving that I will carry with me onto my next steps.